Welcome, in front of me is a Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. This comes provided with the device, so you can get it from your box that the device came in, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got that, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right over here. Push the pin in, the tray will pop out, and from here you can just yank it out. And you have space for either 2 different SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. Now the benefit of this tray is it actually will hold the cards in place, so they won't actually easily fall out. So you can just pop them in here. Now I'll mention that if you're planning to use 2 different SIM cards, you would place the SIM card sideways the same way as you place it right here, but on the SD tray. So anyway, once you have it, make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and from there insert it back into the device. Just give it a second. So there is the pin for the SIM card, so the SIM card is working. And SD card should be working as well. Let's quickly look for it. There we go, so SD card is working as well. And that is how you insert them. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.